How's it going, guys? It's Campy here. I've been looking at different options to replace the Taillight and install a Fender Eliminator on my 2017 Ninja 300. There are different options in the market, but I have decided to go with the TST one. So let's see what we have here. Here we have a sticker from TST Industries. We have the instructions, the light, really cool. I've decided to go with the clear version. TST also has a small version. Some connectors or resistors that we are not going to use. The Fender Eliminator. The license plate light. And the relay that we're going to be using. Alright, let's put everything back. Alright, let's go install it. Start by removing the rear seat, the side panel on both sides, the front seat, and the seat panel on both sides. Remove the bracket and disconnect the two connectors for the turn lights by pressing down and pulling, and the two connectors for the tail lights and license light by pressing in and pulling at the same time. And clip the cables, snake them through the hole, and remove them from the routing guide inside the trunk. Remove the rubber seal, and snake the cables through the hole. Be careful not damaging the cables while doing this. Remove the 4 bolts that hold the fender using a 4mm Allen wrench. And for the last bolt, you might want to wiggle the fender to help you. Take these bolts since we will use them later. Bye bye fender. Let's put together the Fender Eliminator. Place the L bracket towards the inside, pointing up, and insert a screw from the outside through the center hole. Then place the hinges on the outside of the L bracket. I installed them on the inside for easy access and insert the screw. Don't tighten so you can adjust them later. Place the Fender Eliminator in place and tie the 2 bolts we removed earlier. Center the license plate and tie the 2 bolts from the front using a 4mm Allen wrench and an 8mm socket from behind. Adjust the angle and tie the right and left bolts using a 4mm Allen wrench. TST sews the bolts in the inside while I install them on the outside for easy access. Remove the tail light by removing the 2 bolts inside the trunk and wiggle it as you pull. You might have to pull under the tail down to help you get the tail light out. Remove the 3 bolts that hold the bracket to the light using a Phillips screwdriver and make sure that you noted where the clip is located, since you will have to install it later. Install the bracket and the 3 bolts on the new tail light. The bolts don't go smooth, so you might have to force them in a little bit. Place the clip on the same bolt it was before. Now you have the TST light ready to install it back. Insert the cables and place the tail light. It's really tight, so it might take you a couple tries, but eventually it will fit in. Then install the 2 bolts to hold it in place. Run the cables through the hole and connect the cables as indicated in the manual that it comes with the tail light. They only have one position. The empty connector that you can see in the video is for the license plate light, which is not included in this video. Okay, let's check that everything is working. The turn signal doesn't blink because this model needs either a relay or the resistor that TST included in the box. To replace the relay, remove the connector, pull down on the relay to get it off the bracket, remove the rubber piece from the old relay and install it on the new one. Place the new relay back on the bracket and install the connector. They only have one position, so you can miss. In summary, my first impression is that as seen in this video, the installation of the TST Taillight and Fender Eliminator is really straightforward with a very clear step-by-step video available from TST. I'll put the link to the video in the comments below. With a couple basic tools and basic skills, it can be done easily. The illuminator area is significantly larger than the OEM tail lights, and the bright LEDs will really help you being seen at night and with low visibility. There are a couple versions available, clear or smoke, for the same price, but also a standard or programmable for around $20 more. The Taillight is not DOT approved. I'm not really sure what the consequences are other than you can get a fine. If you know, please let us know on the comments below. TST recommends to use a thread lock with the Fender Eliminator, which was not included. Although it is not really expensive, it is inconvenient they need to purchase it just for a little amount. I think it would be easier for them to just include a little container in the box. The holes for the 3 bolts that hold the bracket in place are not really as much, so you will have to force them a little bit, which sincerely is not a big deal. Overall, the quality of the Taillight and empty Fender Eliminator, it seems good for a reasonable price. So this has been the installation of the TST Taillight for the 2017 Ninja 300, including the relay and the license plate. Please leave your comments below, ride safe, and see you on the road.